Guys, back with another video. I'm not going to show myself tonight because I'm in the bed. Just got off work about a couple of hours ago and relaxing though, and I've gotten comfortable. But as you guys know, I have been doing videos of Poplin, as you see here. This is an excellent work from home position if anyone desire to work from home. Maybe you have small children and you don't want to put them in daycare or anything. You can take them with you, put them in the car, pick up the laundry, bring it home, wash it or take it to the laundromat, and then put the kids back in the car and drop it off. But anyway, this evening, what I want to do, I want to go over more in depth of what Poplin is. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to let you guys look into my personal account and see my rankings, and I'm going to show you my pay. And again, I don't do this full time, but I'm going to show you what the possibilities of the income that you can make working with Poplin. So let's get started. Hey guys, now I have gotten into my account, and when I first open up my account online, you can do it online, but when you work, you're going to definitely do it on an app on your phone. But this is my account online. First, you're going to start off, of course, it's going to say your name. Hi, Carolyn. My name is Carolyn. And over here is what you're seeing is, if I can get this mouse to work, right here, well, important is my referral, where I can refer other customers to come along, and when they use my referral, they can continue to request me. Of course, people can request you now, but it's after they most likely do you the first time. But if you send this referral, they don't have to. They come directly to you. And right here, as you see down here, there is an open, come on now, right here. It's an open order, which is I'm not going to take. I don't want to go to Williamsburg. And right here, it will be your active orders, which I don't have any active orders right now. And up here, as you can see, let me go where it is. Over here. As you can see, I've been doing this since April of 2019. Now, if I click on this, you can put, if you want to get any alerts, which I do, because I want to know when the new orders come. I put my radius as, 50 miles out. You can go higher than that, but I don't want to do not much driving. And then your home address. And then, like I said, this is the referral if you want to expand your business. But right now, I do pretty well. So now over here with these three little dots, you're going to click on them. All right. And then there's a couple of things that you see up here. Right here, I already went over the referral where you can send to people so they can come directly to you. Down here is the help, where you can, if you need any questions to be answered. And down here, let's see, well, you see this help chat down here. Let's see if I can put the mouse on it right there. Is where you click on this, and then you're going to see, if you need any additional help, you can click on that, and someone would immediately help you. Like, I think it was yesterday, I needed an order to be canceled because a young lady wanted me to hand deliver her order. And how Poplin works, they put the laundry out at whatever time you tell them you're going to pick it up, and then you do the same thing, you drop off. It's no hand delivering, but they wanted to be hand delivered, and the only time I was able to do that was 7 in the morning on my way to excuse me, hold on. on my way to work. So I had to cancel our order. All right, so let's go back. All right, down here is community, where we have a Facebook group, which I go to very rarely. But if I have some questions, I definitely go there. And then right here, there's we have the shop where you can buy some apparel. But when I first came onto Poplin, they where it was Sudshare at the time, and do I have a shirt? I don't know, but I know I do have a sweatshirt. They sent me a one. Mine's is white, a nice sweatshirt. It was free. This is when it used to be called Sudshare, and I still have it. And I believe I had when it became Poplin. Poplin sent me this shirt right here. Once they changed over, but most likely you have to pay for this stuff. And you know, I have used these before. When they changed over to Poplin, they also sent me this and this, a couple of these for free, not 50, but just a couple. And but these things right here, I have not gotten. All right, so let's see if we can go back. Get out of here. Now we're gonna go. We went there, there, and now this is the academy. Right now I have none because everything has been completed. You know, these are the things I have completed. But when you first come on, there's going to be a whole lot of little short videos that you have to watch and complete. But I haven't done. They haven't sent me any in a long time. I know it's been over a year. But like if something new happened, maybe they will. But when you first come on, I had so many to do. All right, and the next thing we're going to do is my rank. And this is my rank. I'm at the pro status. I'm at the executive status, which is the highest status that you can receive. And these are some of my let's just go into here first. Would it do it? Let's see. I guess you can't click on it. I thought you can click on it. Let's see. Click on that. Oh no, that's just a video. I thought I maybe can click on that and let you see how that works. But anyway, this is some of my reviews. That's my review me, and this was just yesterday. Someone put this in here, and this is my performance and all this stuff. You go there, the point system to give you points, and when you get your points, of course they add up. And I was trying to show you guys the ranking system, but I'm not seeing. It's not letting me click on it. But I do know I'm at the highest. I'm at the highest rank. But how the rank system is, when you first start, you can only do one delivery at a time, and then you move up. And because I'm in the executive status, I can have as many as I desire, as long as I do the work and turn it in. But I wanted you guys to see, but it won't let me click on it so you can see the rank system. Let's see. That's the leadership. That's not what I'm trying to go. No, that's not where I'm trying to go. That's national, But anyway, let's go back. I was trying to show you guys, but it won't let me show you. So now the last thing we're going to do, we're going to go into the money once it generates. Okay, now this is what I've been making so far. And this is my payouts, as you guys can see. I don't know if you can see. Hold on, let's see. Let me bring the video back a little bit more. Yeah, now that's how it works. That's how I've been working. So this is my pay. And then when you want to get paid, so already, as you see this right here, um, right there, where you see $86 and some change. And you see beside it says in transit. That's because I clicked on this. And then if I click on it, it's going to be, the money's going to be here. Sorry. It's going to be on this side over here. If you want it for free, you'll get it in 2 business days. Or if you want it instantly, they'll charge you a fee of 1.8% fee. And then the $86.40, and then it would be deducted minus the 1.8% fee. But I never get the instant because I have to put another type of a card in there. And I don't know why, because I'm using my bank card, so I don't know. But anyway, I never use that. And number one, I don't want no fee out, so I'll wait for the 2 business days. Okay, and let's see. And this is the payment system. So you can do manual payout. I got payout every Wednesday, the first of the month. And this is how you do it. The excuse me, paydays are on Wednesdays. If you just let it sit there, you know. So anyway, this is the payout. And let's go back. I was hoping I can show you guys more of the ranking system, but it will not. Try it again. It will not allow me to do. Let's pull up the video again and see what happens.
Points, badges, and rank. What are they and how do they work? It all starts with your points. You gain or lose points based on dozens of factors. I'll go over some of the more important ones here. 1. Customer ratings. The higher your customers rate you, the more points you get. 2. Customer tips. The more your customers tip you, the more points you get. 3. Your pickup speed. The faster you pick up your customer's laundry, the more points you get. 4. Your delivery speed. The faster you return your customer's laundry, the more points you get. 5. The speed, professionalism, and friendliness of your messaging. The faster you respond to your customers' messages and the friendlier and more professional you are with those messages, the more points you get. 6. Customer retention. Customer retention is the percentage of customers you service who continue to use Poplin. Details on customer retention are in another video. You can also lose points when you don't perform well based on those same factors. Points are not the only, but are one of the most important factors that determine your rank. Now here's the kicker. Jobs are offered to laundry pros in order of rank. So the highest ranked laundry pros get access to orders first. That's why the best laundry pros in established markets earn almost $2,000 a week, while new and lower ranked laundry pros get access to fewer orders. The system is designed to favor and reward the best laundry pros who provide the highest quality service to our customers. If you have a high rank, be consistent so you maintain your advantage. If you're new or have a relatively low rank, don't worry, you'll get your chances, and when you do, make sure you do everything you can to improve your rank with that order. As your rank improves, you'll get access to more and more orders. Points not only affect your rank, they also unlock privileges to different badges. You can review the different badge privileges in your app, but examples include the right to have multiple active orders, accept same-day orders, and get instant payouts.
Okay, guys, he told you about the ranking system. Anyway, guys, you be blessed, and I welcome you to come aboard Poplin and join the team.